How's it going, skiers and riders? I'm John, and this is your Sunday, December 23rd, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. The groomers took to the mountain this morning to smooth out the trails for you to come on up and take some well-deserved turns right before Christmas. We have a total of 20 trails for you to rip down and 5 lifts spinning for you to get to the top. Today's going to be a bluebird day with temps in the mid-30s turning cloudy tonight. It's also looking like a few flakes are going to be flying tonight, so get up here and start hitting the corduroy. If you are still looking for a Christmas gift for that special skier or rider in your life, be sure to check out Mountainside Ski and Ride. With a great selection of all the winter gear you'll need to hit the slopes, finding that perfect gift will be easy. And if all else, pick up a cow card, which is good all over the mountain. That's all I have for today. Be sure to check out social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Sunday, a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you on the slopes.